So this video is on calibrating the T903 OP903. This is specific as 6-pad system. You can also have 4-pad version of this. So the order is LFW is 1, RFW is 2, LRW is 3, and RRW is 4. If you have 6-pad, then LCW is 5, and RCW is 6. So you can enter the menu by holding down the switch and print. You might try a couple times, but should we get in? Okay, hold on the switch, press print. F1, you set the initial settings. So mode 6, because I currently have 6 pads, but you can go down, to 5, 4, 3, 2, all that. So particularly for a 6-pad system. Unit 0 for kilograms, or you could do unit 1 for pounds. Up to you on that one. Dot 0. See, that's the amount of decimal places. You could leave it 0 because these weight pads don't have decimals. E5 means accuracy. So it depends on your pad. Mine would be 5 pounds accurate. But if you have bigger pads, it might be like 10 or 20 pounds, right? So you just go through that. And full, set it to 1. And you could change the total capacity. So it might be a total capacity of all 4 or 6 pads. You type it in here, so up, down, left, right, you can enter in the number. So leave that there. So that's F1, those initial settings, you have set. Now F2 actually starts calibrating the pads. So you see scale 1. Remember, scale 1 is LFW, see up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right now do scale 1. And then cal 0, you set it to 1 for 0 calibration. So when nothing on the scale, make sure that LFW is nothing on the scale. Cal 1, you press print. And then now it's a span 0. So make that to 1. Right. And I enter in your weight. So for example, I could put 1,000 pounds on just that one pad. LFW. So you have a single weight, you put one weight on just the pad. If you have a car you're driving on it, you need to know how much weighs just on the one pad, because it won't be accurate. So if I add 1,000 pounds to LFW, okay, and press print, and then now save -0. I made that to 1. So make sure you save that setting. So press print. And yes, save. Okay, so now I'm back to scale 1. So when you're calibrating, always calibrate in pairs. So calibrate LFW, RFW, LRW, and RRW, and LCW to RCW. So if you want to calibrate the last 2 pad, for example, and you have a 4-pad, you're gonna have to calibrate both 5 and 6. LCW, RCW. If you want to do 1, you want to do 1 and 2. Because if you don't, then the calibration on the first one might throw off the second one. And if you do just calibrate the third one, it might throw off the calibration on the second one. So I'll show you that again. So I'll just move it over. This is number 2. Scale 2, RFW. That's the one I haven't plugged in. Cal 0. So make sure there's nothing on the scale. Made that to 1. Yes. Span 0. So make that to 1. So span means I am putting my calibration weight. So just on that one pad, I'm adding 1,000 pounds. And yes. Okay, now I save. Make sure to save after calibrating both of them in pairs. The pairs. Save 1. And yes. Okay, so now it's fine. So now I could press the check button to save and exit from the menu and press it again. So now if I switch to RFW, you see 1,000 pounds, fluctuate a little bit, and that should be 0. Put nothing on scale, add 1,000 pounds, it should be around there. So that's the process I calibrated. So if you're in the process and trying to add more pads, you'll check your F1 setting and adjust accordingly to how many pads you want to have. Correct. And then the F2 setting will actually start setting up the calibration. So you have to calibrate individually. So you plug in and actually put the weight just for that one pad. You can have all of them connected at the same time and do this calibration, or you could just do in pairs. At least do in pairs recommended, because it might throw off the calibration another one. So try it out and hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.